And that's all I can give you, boss. That's all I can give you, because it's hard. Hey fro friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Angelica and I will be your personal beauty guru slash fro friends. I like the way that sounds. All right guys, so as you all know from the title, this is a get ready with me video, but I also wanted to come back and just kind of catch up with you guys, give you guys an update on what's been going on in my life, get a little bit more personal with my subscribers, so you know you guys will get to know just a little bit, just a tad. All right, so let's hop into this video. So I'm doing some soft girl makeup because if you don't know, Angelica loves her some soft girl makeup. Okay, my makeup is a no makeup look most of the time. I'm not even gonna say most of the time, because all of the time, anytime that I really go out, I'll do like a no makeup look. So the soft girl life is for me. We're going to start off, and I'm going to be using my favorite products that I use on a day-to-day basis. All of these products I am not sponsored by besides Merit, and I'll be trying those out and also reviewing them in this video, so you kind of get a 2-for-1. Right now, in order to prime my face, obviously my face is clean and washed and everything like that. So right now I'm taking my e.l.f. primer. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I am going to just take my finger, put a little bit on here, and just kind of spread it all over. As you all can see, I do regularly get my eyelashes done, and I recently got my eyebrows I got an ombre brow. Yeah guys, I don't know why that just slipped my mind like that, but I got powdered ombre brows. My girl Cassie hooked me up. I'm going to put her Instagram, link it somewhere in here. Girl, these are like the best things since sliced bread. Okay honey, when I tell you I do absolutely nothing in the morning now. So enough ranting about that. Obviously I don't have to do much brow with these, so you know, we kind of skip out on brow day. Normally I don't do anything with lashes either, but we might have to do a little bit of something because obviously I'm a little twiggy on this eye. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm very bare on that eye. So after I prime and everything, I'm going to go in with my NYX. It's the Bear With Me concealer serum, and I'm going to just put a little bit on my hand right here. And I usually use like a pretty like basic brush. I don't know, this is probably not the best brush to use, but this is kind of what I use in order to get all in these crevices. And this is like a really good brush. Honestly, it looks like I'm putting a lot on, guys, but it's really like, it's really sheer. So as you guys can see, my soft girl makeup requires no foundation. Now I know some of my girlies don't have the best textured skin, so if you need to use like a BB or CC cream or tinted moisturizer, that's what I'm looking for, a tinted moisturizer, do so. You know, you can add that into the whole thing, but and then with my concealer as well, I'm just going to go up under my brows so that it looks like the illusion that I filled in my brow, but I really didn't. A little bit about me, if you guys don't know, I am obsessed with doing my hair. I change my hair probably a good, on average, every 3 weeks. That's being kind of generous, because if I see a new hairstyle that I want to wear, I will take out a hairstyle very, very quickly and go on ahead and put that one in my head. That's one thing that I don't hesitate to do, is change my hair. One thing I'm very, very decisive on. Okay, guys, so before we get any further, I'm just going to take my foundation brush from Fenty Beauty. I need to wash my brushes, but that's beyond the point. And I'm just going to blend this in very, very softly all over. Now I'll spread out the concealer in order to kind of like put it like around my mouth and like all of the kind of dark and discolored spots that I have, in order to kind of brighten it up a little bit, make it look a little even, give me some highlight, give me a little low light. I kind of play on my own natural tones, honestly, and look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference. Look, it looks like your girl sleepy awake. And if I need a little bit more under my eyes, because you know your girl be tired and everything, I'll just go on ahead and just use the excess that's on my hand and just blend it out, you know, just blend it out. All right, y'all, so now that that is finished, I'm going to take this kind of fluffy brush. It is a Morphe M536, and I personally like this brush in order to like do a semi bake on my face. So I'll just take it and I'll take the loose powder and I'll just, you know, go up under the eye real quick. Go everywhere that you put on that concealer. All right, guys, so on to our new product. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Merit. So I am using their Bronze Balm. Look at how pretty this packaging is, guys. Very, very cute, very sleek. So I got the Bronze Balm. So it is a very, very sheer kind of bronzer. It is cream, so it looks like this when you have it. I have the color Leo, so that is the second to last of the darker shades in this. I'm just going to apply it to my face in the spots that I usually bronze. It is cream, so I'm pretty sure. Yeah, guys. Ooh, this blends out so nice, and it looks amazing. It goes really well with my little soft girl. Ooh, y'all, this is nice. I like the finish on it, and I like how it's not like, it's just like a little bit, you know? Wow, this looks really, really natural, really, really nice. Very, very nice finish. Very nice finish. So, y'all, since the last time that you guys kind of had like a get ready with me, a lot has changed. I moved to LA at that point in time, and now I've been here, guys, for I've been here for 3 years, guys. That is crazy, right? Like, I never expected for it to go that fast. But I mean, I was here during the pandemic, and I feel like the pandemic sped up every single thing in life. So, I mean, I can understand why time felt like it flew, but it definitely flew. So usually I don't do much to my eyes because I don't really have to, you know what I'm saying? But today, because, you know, we have like really bad lashes, I'm gonna go on ahead and do a little bit to them because you can't go out looking like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on ahead and just do like a little like wingtip. This is the Kiss Cosmetics lash glue liner. So like, well, we're testing this out today because I thought that it was like super duper cool. It is a felt tip and it is lash glue and eyeliner all in one. So let's see how this works. So I'm gonna do like a little like tiny wing on the ends. I'm probably not gonna bring too much up front because I'm probably going to just cut a lash and just do it at the end because I don't really want like a full lash, especially over my lashes, because my girl is gonna yell at me for this anyway, but I want to not mess up my lashes. Guys, I think this is as good as it's gonna get for the eyeliner. I do kind of have hooded eyes, so I probably should kind of bring it in a little bit. Does anyone else hate eyeliner? Like, I hate eyeliner just for the simple fact of, like, it just, they're always cousins and never sisters for me. Like, I really try my hardest and my best. And that's all I can give you, boss. That's all I can give you, because it's hard. But I think that's good. I think I like that. So next we're going to go in with our blush. I have a Fenty Beauty blush, the Kilowatt. As you guys can see, mine broke. So it looks a little raggedy right now. And I'm going to go in with the Moscow Mule, which is the slightly like shimmery one. And I'm just going to just give my face some color. I like to go on my nose some and a little bit on my lip, just to, you know, give me a little shimmy, a little shimmer. And then y'all, all of my makeup, like all of my personal makeup looks a hot mess. But then I got this Master Chrome from Maybelline, and I'm going to go in and highlight my face. Yeah, guys, like that is pretty much a life update with me in a nutshell. I mean, I'm not really that like crazy of a person. Like, I don't really, like, I'll go out occasionally, but since I work at a club, I'm just like, if I'm not getting paid to go, then why am I going exactly? You know? So I don't really go out that often. I work, I hustle, I get all that done. You know, pretty simple. One thing that I am working on, and I guess I can fill you guys in on it because, you know, it's kind of part of it. I'm working on myself and the way that I treat myself. And so I'm really trying to get really consistent with everything. And and really trying to do things for me. So really trying to enjoy myself now. I think now that I've been in LA for a good 3 years and I know how everything works and operates, and I've been kind of in the like mix of things a lot, I'm really trying to like step out and enjoy myself a lot. Next, with the makeup, we're going to go in with this product right here, and it is from Merit again, as you all can see from the beautiful gold packaging. It is the Brow 1980, and I got it in the color brown. I didn't want to get black because sometimes black is a little bit too much for me. So let's see how I like this. Oh, y'all, this is nice. We like this. Is it giving brow lamination? Ooh, it might be, y'all. Ooh, we might have found our new favorite product, guys, because let me tell you, I am all for a bushy brow. When bushy brows came back into style, all for it. And the one thing about it is, the funny thing is that your girl never, ever, ever had a bushy brow. I think it's just because we want everything that we can't have. Because I really, really would love a nice, like, full bushy brow, but your girl just wasn't blessed with that many brow hairs, so. But I really, really like this product. It is the Brow, like I said, 1980. Really, really enjoy this product. All right, guys, so we're going to do some lashes, y'all. I have these foam ink ones that I wore maybe like a couple times. But I think I'm gonna like cut them so that I kind of have like a fox eye going on, so that I'm a little accentuated on the ends. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I put like a tip on this one, and now I'm going to go on ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side. The only thing that I did was I cut this lash about right here. I might cut this one just a little bit more, just because I'm a little bit more barren over on this side. And since this is eyelash glue liner, I'm gonna just go on ahead and take my fingers and just stick it on. And I'm gonna do it a little bit higher up, just so that it is kind of like accentuates me just a little bit more. And voila, guys. Wow. Look, I'm a little bit surprised about that, but look at how good that looks, y'all. Like, for real. Okay, girl. All right, guys, and this is the final look. Oh my God, it looks so freaking good. So like I said, guys, this video is sponsored by Merit. These products are freaking fabulous. So if you would like to purchase these, I will leave the link down below for you guys. Make sure that you use my link so that they know that I sent you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back and tuning in with me. It was super duper fun coming and doing this look with you guys. Like I said, this is my normal makeup look. This is how Rachel walks out of the house going to work or going out. And so if you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, girl? Like what are we waiting for? Go on ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also smash that bell like I stated in the beginning. And I will see you all in my next video.